So I fixed it. The fuel bars and the distance to the next refill are now back. So what did I do? You have to take the back seats out. I back probed the sensor, which is these last two smaller wires here, the purple and the green, and there was nothing on the screen. So I thought it was a dead level sender unit, but I took the connector off, cleaned the connections inside the connector and on the fuel pump system, and I've got a reading 280 ounces, like just over, nearly empty, a quarter full, so that works out perfect. So you should be getting 280 ohms at a quarter tank, and the suspect is going to be this terminal. So take it apart, clean it, electrical contact cleaner, and hopefully that should work. So mine has worked, as you can see, and now I've just got to put it all back together again. It's just 4 nuts that hold the seat in, full bolts, so it's pretty easy job, and that's it.